morning dear students. I hope you all are very fine. See, from last lecture we started our chapter number 8, that is public facilities and my school. So in last lecture we already discussed about the public facilities. So tell me, what are the public facilities are available for us? Yes, very good. Banks, electric supply, water supply, right? School, okay? That public facilities are available for everyone, okay? Now today we are going to see the role of community in the development of school, because school is also one of the public facility. तो community role क्या है school develop करने के लिए, that we are going to discuss in today's lecture. Okay, now come on, pay attention here. See, many people and institution help to set up a school. Okay, see, many people and institution helps to set up a school. Likewise, our school is also our school is also one of the institution. Okay, through that institution, our school is get developed. Many parents, past students, writer, artists, sports persons, scientists, and industrialists lead a hand in growth of school. Okay, देखो अभी स्कूल डेवलप करने के लिए कौन कौन हेल्प करता है? पेरेंट्स. सी पेरेंट्स इज वन ऑफ द मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंट. देन पास्ट स्टूडेंट्स, राइटर, आर्टिस्ट, स्पोर्ट पर्सन, साइंटिस्ट एंड इंडस्ट्रियलिस्ट लेंड अ हैंड इन द ग्रोथ ऑफ स्कूल. वो अपने हेल्प करके एक स्कूल की ग्रोथ करते हैं. नेक्स्ट, अ स्कूल इज गिवन असिस्टेंस टू अ कंस्ट्रक्शन ऑफ क्लासरूम. एक प्रॉपर क्या होना चाहिए? क्लासरूम कंस्ट्रक्शन. स्कूल है means there is also in that school there may be a sufficient classroom also. Their needs are sufficient classroom, laboratories, libraries. Okay, these are the basic needs of one school. See, libraries and procurement of sport equipment by a various section of the society. The community has a role in the development of school. See, these things are provided by the communities. जैसे एक कम्युनिटी क्या प्रोवाइड करती है स्कूल को? वेरियस टाइप्स ऑफ स्पोर्ट्स इक्विपमेंट, जैसे स्टम्प्स है, बॉल्स वगैरह. दीज आर द स्पोर्ट्स इक्विपमेंट दैट आर प्रोवाइडेड बाय द कम्युनिटी. सी, द कम्युनिटी हैज अ रोल इन द डेवलपमेंट ऑफ स्कूल. सो द कम्युनिटी क्या करती है? स्कूल डेवलप करने में अपना एक रोल निभाती है. सी, सो फॉर एस्टेब्लिशिंग or construction of classroom, libraries, laboratories and procurement of sports equipment by various sections of societies. Okay, see, next is here one box is given. See, what is there? See, which topics means can you tell that is given? Which topics are discussed in parent-teacher meeting that you could observe? See, each and every school there is a parent-teacher meeting. So this meeting is held on a particular topic. Okay, suppose the topic is about sport club. Suppose if school wants to start the sport club, at that time they arrange one parent-teacher meetings, and in that meeting that topic can get discussed. Sometime the parent-teacher meeting is about the study of students also, which important decision were made at this meeting. Okay, जैसे स्टूडेंट्स का स्टडीज रिगार्डिंग प्रॉब्लम है. इफ दे वांट टू एक्सीड द स्कूल टाइमिंग, दिस इज आल्सो इम्पोर्टेंट थिंग दैट आस्क टू द पेरेंट इफ इट इज पॉसिबल टू इंक्रीज द स्कूल टाइमिंग. दिस डिसीजन आर टेकन with the help of parents also. Okay, next is, how did you realize that all parents are treated alike at your school? Yes, in every school the parents are treated properly. Okay, say properly like our school also. All school have a parent teacher association and mata palak sangha. Each and every school there is a parent teacher PTA member. Okay, parent teacher association is there, and one of them माता पालक संघ, जो आपके मदर्स होते हैं. ओके, उनका भी क्या होता है? संघ. उसको क्या बोलते हैं? माता पालक संघ. एंड व्हाट आर द इम्पोर्टेंट टॉपिक्स आर डिस्कस्ड इन parent teacher association? See, every school has a parent teacher association. See, each and every school there is a PTA membership is there. This association is created in each and every school. See, to ensure the dialogue between parents us. Okay, जो भी स्कूल को डिसीजन लेने थे, that decision are take through this association. See, in that association, not all parents are involved, but some members. Suppose that are selected from each and every class. From first class, there is one parent which is representing the standard first. From second, it may be on one or two. Likewise, that PTA members are created. That is parent teacher association are get created. Parents can help in number of activities also. If suppose there is annual function, in that annual function activities, parents are also helps. Then school respects all parents alike. School क्या करती है, सारे parents का क्या respect करती है. We should inform our parents about happening in school. Thereby we help our parents as well as teacher. जो each and everything that school running, each and everything activities or different things are happen in school, that should be informed to the parent, so that the parent teacher meeting are held each and every month. ओके, तो ये पेरेंट टीचर मीटिंग होती है, वो क्या होती है, मंथ में एक बार तो भी स्कूल को अरेंज करनी होती है, सो दैट व्हाट द थिंग्स आर हैपनिंग इन स्कूल दैट शुड नो द पेरेंट. ओके, पेरेंट्स को वो पता चलनी चाहिए. दैट्स व्हाई द मीटिंग्स आर गेट अरेंज. सी नेक्स्ट दैट वन डिस्कस हियर इज वन सेक्शन इज गिवन. व्हाट इज दैट क्वेश्चन? सी अ स्कूल कैन आल्सो हेल्प इन डेवलपमेंट ऑफ कम्युनिटी और टू सॉल्व अ प्रॉब्लम. जैसे स्कूल डेवलप करने के लिए कम्युनिटी अपना रोल निभाती है, मीन्स कम्युनिटी हेल्प्स टू डेवलप द स्कूल, सेम एज स्कूल आल्सो हेल्प टू डेवलप द कम्युनिटी. सो what should school do to develop the community? In order to develop the habits of cleanliness among the people, children of school become agents of cleanliness. See, as we know, the school is a temple of knowledge. In that temple, we learn number of things. We learn the discipline. We learn the number of things about cleanliness. We learn number of values of living. Okay. See, in that learn value, one value is there, that is cleanliness. Okay. That also teach in the school. So we have to apply this value in our community also. Okay. So backed by the school, they launch a cleanliness drive in a village. See, in our school also arrange this cleanliness drive through the NSS camp. Okay, through this NSS camp, our school or college, they take one village and they drive a camp of cleanliness in that village. Okay, they prepare a poster asking people not to spit in the street and dispose the garbage properly. See, likewise, whenever we went for Wari, Ashadi Wari at Gadchire, at that time also we prepare some posters of cleanliness. Okay, don't spit on road. Throw the garbage in the dustbin also. Okay, this message are spread through the students or school in the community for the cleanliness. The present strict place and convenience residence of importance of cleanliness. The school had a part of obtaining the Clean Village Award for their village. It helps the village to build its unity. Okay, देखो, with the help of school, when was that school arranged that camp, at that time the village people also helps to maintain their maintain their village clean, so that many times that Clean Village Awards are also there. Okay, at that time, and school can also arrange that award for any village. Okay, means this message of cleanliness also spread. This message of cleanliness spread in community through the school. Okay, ये क्या हो गया? ये हो गया कि स्कूल ने भी कम्युनिटी डेवलप करने में क्या करनी चाहिए, हेल्प करनी चाहिए. ओके, सी नेक्स्ट here one thing also, one activity is also given. Write an application to the school administration requesting that parents be allowed to run the school for a day. Organize this event after you have obtained their permission. Send your experience to the children section of the local newspaper. So here what activity is given? See, means here you have to write an application. Okay, to allow the run the school for a day. एक दिन के लिए पेरेंट्स को क्या करना चाहिए, स्कूल चलाना remaining days, who is running the school? School principal, staff, teacher, non-teaching staff is also there that runs the school. But for experience, one day we should run the school through a parents. Okay, parents को भी chance देना चाहिए कि आप एक दिन के लिए school चला के देखो. And there may be some good experience, there may be some bad experience. That experience should be shared in a local newspaper. Okay. So here one picture is given, that is parent participation. See, in first picture you can see that parent teacher teaches music. See, each and every parents have some skill. Some knows the music and all. They can teach the music to the students. Next, one lady parent is there that conducting drill, mass drill. Okay, that mass drill also conduct to the parents. Okay, तो पेरेंट्स के थ्रू ये मास ड्रिल भी क्या की जा सकती है, कंडक्ट की जा सकती है. Likewise, if any parent knows the dancing, that parent can also teach the dance to the student. Likewise, parents also can run the school for one day. Okay, so you always remember that education is fundamental right of every child. Okay, see, in this chapter we also see the Education Act. What that Education Act says, that education is a fundamental right of every child. सबको क्या मिलना चाहिए, शिक्षा मिलनी चाहिए. For that, which abhiyan is going on? सर्व शिक्षा अभियान. So kids, here we learn about role of the community in the development of school. Many community helps to develop the school. That is developing the school libraries, school sports club. Okay, at that time they help the school to purchasing some sports material. Likewise, then parent teacher association, this parent PTA membership. Okay, this is also very important. Through that PTA we can communicate with the parent. This is the media of communication in between teachers and parents. Okay, so in this chapter, this is the last topic. So what we learn in this chapter, we must use the public service and facilities responsibly. Okay, हमें सारी जो public services है, facilities है, वो use करने चाहिए, but responsibility, because ये हमारी है, उसकी सुरक्षा भी क्या है, हमारी है, वो ठीक रहेगी, किसकी है, हमारी responsibility है. Next, school lends hand in the development of communities. Okay, स्कूल क्या करती है, स्कूल के थ्रू एक कम्युनिटी डेवलपमेंट भी हो सकती है. नेक्स्ट, एवरी चाइल्ड हैज टू राइट टू गो टू द स्कूल एंड लर्न. सबको स्कूल जाने का और शिक्षा पाने का क्या है, अधिकार है. दैट थिंग्स, दिस ऑल थिंग्स वी लर्न इन दिस चैप्टर. दैट दिस चैप्टर इज वेरी सिंपल. जस्ट रिमेंबर पब्लिक फैसिलिटी एंड व्हाट इज द स्कूल, व्हाट the role of school to develop the community, that is also important, and what is the role of community to develop the school. Okay, this only thing we learn in this chapter, we studied in this chapter. So from next lecture we are going to start the new chapter. So you just go through this chapter, learn this chapter. Okay, read this whole chapter at least one time, and then try to solve the exercise of this chapter. Okay, so that's all for today. See you on next lecture. Thank you so much and have a nice day.